Buster Edwards, the gang leader behind the great train robbery, has been found dead. His body was found hanging in a garage in London near Waterloo Station, where he owned a flower stall. Edwards spent 15 years in jail, following 3 years on the run, after taking part in the violent robbery of a Royal Mail train in 1963.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please join our Facebook group. It's called Krays Crime Lords of London. We're a friendly, moderated group with over 1,000 Kray and other celebrated gangster videos available for view. There's also thousands of images in the photos sections. The link for the group is in the YouTube description section. I hope we see you there soon.
Leave a like and subscribe.